Another subscription I forgot about. And where did all my money go last month? Wait, when was that utility bill due again? Sound familiar? If you're tired of juggling multiple apps and spreadsheets to track your finances, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your financial life with one powerful Notion template. This isn't just another budgeting tool, it's your complete financial command center. Whether you're struggling to track expenses, managing multiple subscriptions, or working towards big financial goals, this template will help you gain total control over your money. Let me show you how. Let's start with the heart of the system, the finance tracker. Think of this as your financial mission control. Right at the top, you'll find the My Balance section, where you can add all your accounts, savings, checking, cash on hand, everything in one place. Watch this. Adding an account is as simple as entering the name and starting balance. The system automatically tracks everything from there. No more logging into different banking apps to know where you stand. Below that, you'll find two powerful tracking tables, income in green and expenses in blue. Every time you add a transaction, just enter the date, name, amount, category, and which account it's coming from or going to. The best part, your account balances update automatically. Need to see just this month's transactions or maybe just today's? These convenient tabs let you filter your view instantly. All transactions, today, this week, this month, and this year. And here's where the magic happens, the monthly overview. It gives you a crystal clear picture of your total income, expenses, and balance for each month. No more end of month surprises. How many times have you thought, wait, did I pay that bill? Well, those days are over. The bill tracker page gives you a complete year view, January through December. For each bill, you can set the billing date and mark it as paid when you're done. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets. And when the year ends, just hit Reset Bill Progress and you're ready for the new year. Now, let's talk about those sneaky subscriptions that seem to multiply when we're not looking. The subscription tracker shows you everything in one place: platform name, payment frequency, monthly or yearly, category, price, and status. Use these tabs to filter between all, active, old, and cancelled subscriptions. No more forgotten trial periods or unused services eating away at your budget. This is where it gets exciting. The financial goals section isn't just about tracking, it's about achieving. Set your big financial goals, break them down into manageable sub-goals, and watch your progress percentage grow. Click into any goal and you'll find the goal breakdown template. Big goals can feel overwhelming, so break them down into smaller, achievable steps. Each checked box brings you closer to your dream. And finally, the wishlist section helps you make mindful purchasing decisions. Add items you want, their prices, and categories. When you buy something, just mark it as purchased. It's a great way to avoid impulse buys and stay focused on what really matters to you. There you have it, complete financial control in one beautiful, organized system. No more scattered approaches, no more forgotten bills, no more mystery expenses, just clear, actionable insights that help you master your money. Ready to take control of your finances? Get this template using the link in the description below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and templates. Remember, financial freedom isn't about having unlimited money, it's about having unlimited clarity about your money. See you in the next video.